Have you ever stopped for a second and wondered how a device that fits inside your pocket can contain billions of transistors, multiple cameras, artificial intelligence features, powerful processors, advanced sensors? Every year, when Apple launches a new iPhone, millions of people rush to buy it. Long lines form outside stores, pre-orders sell out within hours, and social media fills with reviews. But have you ever wondered what happens before an iPhone 17 reaches a customer's hands? Because the truth is far more fascinating than most people realize.
Behind every iPhone 17 is a gigantic manufacturing system involving advanced robotics, precision engineering, microscopic components, automated inspection machines, and thousands of highly trained workers. Every device must pass through hundreds of production stages before it is allowed to leave the factory. The journey begins months before assembly starts. Everything starts with engineering and product design. Apple's teams create detailed digital models of the device, testing durability, performance, battery efficiency, thermal management, camera capabilities.
Once the design is finalized, component manufacturing begins across multiple facilities around the world. One of the most important parts of the iPhone 17 is its processor. The chip is often called the brain of the smartphone because it controls nearly everything inside the device. Manufacturing these processors is one of the most advanced industrial processes on Earth. The process starts with ultra-pure silicon. Large silicon crystals are grown and sliced into thin wafers. These wafers move through highly controlled clean rooms, where dust particles are carefully eliminated. Using advanced lithography systems, billions of tiny transistors are etched onto the silicon wafer. These transistors are so small that thousands of them can fit across the width of a human hair. Multiple layers of circuits are built one on top of another until the processor is complete. At the same time, display production begins. The display is one of the most expensive parts of the iPhone. Special glass panels are manufactured, polished, strengthened, and coated. OLED display layers are assembled underneath, allowing vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high brightness levels. Every display is tested for color accuracy, touch responsiveness, brightness consistency, and pixel defects. Even a single dead pixel can cause rejection. Meanwhile, camera production takes place in separate facilities. Modern smartphone cameras contain tiny lenses, image sensors, stabilization systems, autofocus motors, and complex optical components. These parts are assembled with incredible precision. Since photography is one of the biggest reasons people upgrade phones, Apple places enormous importance on camera quality. Every camera module is calibrated and tested individually before shipment. Battery manufacturing is equally important. The lithium-ion battery cells are produced using specialized chemical processes. Safety mechanisms are integrated into the battery system to prevent overheating and improve reliability. Each battery is tested repeatedly for charging performance, capacity, and stability. Now, attention turns to the body of the iPhone 17. Large blocks of aluminum, titanium, or other structural materials enter computer-controlled machining systems. High-speed cutting tools shape the frame with incredible accuracy. Openings for cameras, buttons, speakers, microphones, charging ports are created during this stage. After machining, the frames are polished, cleaned, and treated to achieve their final finish. Multiple inspections ensure the dimensions are perfectly accurate.
Once all major components are ready, they arrive at the final assembly facility. This is where the real transformation begins. Assembly lines stretch across huge production areas. Robotic systems and skilled workers operate together to build thousands of devices every day.
Next, the internal structure is installed. Circuit boards, support brackets, antennas, and internal connectors are positioned carefully. Precision machines place tiny components with accuracy measured in fractions of a millimeter. The logic board is then installed.
This component acts as the central nervous system of the device. It contains the processor, memory chips, wireless communication systems, power management circuits, and numerous control modules. Because of its complexity, every logic board undergoes inspection before installation. After the logic board is secured, the camera modules are installed. Robotic positioning systems place each camera into its designated location. The alignment must be extremely precise because even tiny positioning errors can affect image quality. Now the battery is installed. Special automated equipment positions the battery carefully inside the device. Connections are secured and tested immediately. Since battery safety is critical, additional inspection systems verify proper installation before assembly continues. After this, the display module is attached. This is one of the most delicate stages of the entire process. Robotic systems align the display with the frame using precision-guided equipment. Strong adhesives and sealing materials are applied to create a secure fit while helping improve water resistance. Once attached, the phone finally starts looking like a finished iPhone 17, but surprisingly, manufacturing is still far from complete. The newly assembled device now enters software installation stations. Here, Apple's operating system is loaded onto the device. Firmware, security systems, hardware drivers, and calibration software are installed. Immediately after software installation, automated testing begins. Every touchscreen is checked. Every button is pressed automatically. Every speaker is tested. Every microphone is verified. Every camera captures test images. Wireless communication systems are checked. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity, GPS functionality, Face ID sensors, charging systems, and battery performance are all examined. Special machines simulate real-world usage conditions to ensure everything works properly. The phone then undergoes cosmetic inspection. High-resolution cameras scan the device for scratches, dents, dust particles, alignment issues, and surface defects. Approved devices move to the final quality control area. Here, random samples may undergo additional stress tests, drop simulations, charging evaluations, and performance checks. Only after passing these inspections can the devices move forward. Now comes the final stage. The completed iPhone 17 is cleaned, packaged, and placed inside its retail box. Accessories, documentation, and protective materials are added. The boxes are sealed automatically and packed into larger shipping cartons. From there, the devices are loaded onto trucks, aircraft, and cargo networks that transport them to distribution centers, Apple stores, mobile carriers, and retailers across the world. Within days, those phones appear on store shelves, where customers finally get their hands on them. So the next time you hold an iPhone 17, remember that it is far more than just a smartphone. It is the result of advanced semiconductor manufacturing, precision machining, robotic assembly, software engineering, quality control, and one of the most sophisticated production systems ever created. And that is how the iPhone 17 is made inside the factory. If you enjoyed this amazing factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible manufacturing and technology videos.